You like Maroon 5? Dance, bud. You like that? Yeah. Da 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 da. Oh. What about you? Are those your moves like Jagger? So I'm just leaving work now. It's Saturday. It's about 1 o'clock. And you know how you know you're getting old? When you're excited about a carpet runner being installed on your steps today. That is what I've been looking forward to now. 2 weeks. That is how you know you are getting old. When that has become what you look forward to. Sad. Sad times. All right, so you know I'm excited about the runner going in. So I just want to show you the steps before. These are the steps before. It's that set. And then we got that set. All right. So now we'll have to see what it looks like after. Oh. Tell everybody what just happened to you. Do you want me to tell? Yeah? Should I tell?
Yeah.
You don't want to tell? Okay. Well, this person or thing just stole Zach's sandwich. So he's very upset about it. Jessie was punished. She was banished to the outside in her time out. And now she's back. But Zach's still very upset. Right? No, don't. Hey, do you want Mommy to make you something else?
No.
All right. Hey, T, do you want to blow me kiss? Blow me kiss.
Blah.
Mwah.
Blah.
Mwah.
Blah.
Yeah. Mwah. You having a puff? See these? I have an actual problem. I freaked out that they didn't have them in last month's box because they had sold out. So they sent me a couple extra bags because they're awesome. And I put 3 in my next box because you get to pick like, I don't know, like 5 or 6 snacks. And so I put 3 in there because I love them so much. And we also got some pretzels in there that Howie likes. One's like a cheddar sourdough pretzel. The other one's like a honey Dijon. They're both really, really good. Right? You like them, Zach? T? Zach? Tyler likes the coconut squares, right? So I like them because they're like really healthy, all natural snacks. You can pronounce all the ingredients. And the bags are nice and big so we can all share. So we all get some. So I like them. And if you don't have an Nature Box and you'd like to try one on me. I have a link down below so that you can go choose some snacks. If you're going to get one, I recommend these if you like coconut, and also the cheddar sourdough pretzels, I think, and the honey Dijon are also awesome. So good. Mr. T's digging those coconut squares. Hey, Zach. I guess I should mention that they're crispy coconut squares, since I'm shaking it around and you can't see what I'm actually talking about. Crispy coconut squares. They're very good. All it is a toasted coconut square, but it's so good. I don't know how they do it. But I love it. All right, come on! Hey! Tyler, you're in a car!
Leave it, Zach.
Dance, Zach. Oh, party foul.
It's not his fault. It's just one. I could put mine on.
Party foul. What you doing?
I'm eating Lazio yogurt.
Really good, right? It's Saturday night, so we're having some frozen yogurt. Right?
Not really frozen, but it's just cold. And I got Sour Patch Kids, cherries, and gummy worms.
Super duper healthy.
Not healthy.
Not healthy at all. Nope. What kind of yogurt did you get?
Cake.
No, you got strawberry, remember? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. I'm happy you're enjoying it. Daddy, what did you get?
Oh, one sec.
Coffee
Yep, that's it.
and vanilla.
Mhm.
And whipped cream
Mommy got
And whipped cream?
orange.
and chocolate.
Okay. Mommy got orange, sorbet with some strawberries and toasted coconut. I'm on a coconut kick today. Oh, the runner. This is the runner. Doesn't it look beautiful? Beautiful. That's the after. Looking good, right? Food shopping.
Oh, I did Indonesian pear.
Ooh. And what else?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, can you get me a blood orange?
Blood orange.
Yeah, do they have that? Is that blood orange? Get that one. And I like the grapefruit. No, it's fine. Two's fine. What about you, sir? What are you doing at the food store? Besides not wearing socks.
No.
All right, I already got the honey. I got the Cheerios. I already got it. I got this. I already went down the fruit aisle. What else do we need?
I need
Nah.
Russian dressing.
Russian dressing. Do you want to get the organic Russian dressing?
Is there an organic Russian?
There's organic everything. Actually, you know, it might be in this aisle.
Well,
Well,
that's
Well,
just
now.
fine. Yes, exactly. Ordinance.
oh, there you go.
I mean, you can't go wrong with Ken's, but
Ken's. All right, get Ken's.
is that
What's that? What is that?
A ball.
What kind of ball?
I don't know.
Soccer ball.
What?
Woo!
But this one can bounce.
Uh-huh.
With the
Because that's a basketball. Good job. That's called dribbling.
and I can do it high. Ooh, can we buy it?
No, buddy.
Okay.
When we get a basketball hoop, we'll get it, okay?
That time they won't even have it.
Yes, they will. We'll find one. Don't worry about it. Watching your brother? Don't worry. You'll be able to play one day, too. Okay? Thanks for unloading.
this again?
Okay, so that's it for this week. It was kind of an uneventful week. Nobody in this house went to Atlantic City with their husbands. Just saying. No names mentioned. Just somebody else on this channel. You know who you are. Who went to Atlantic City with their husbands. None of that going on here this week. But I hope you liked it anyway. And don't forget to click the link down below to get your free nature box. And also hit subscribe and blah, 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 and all those good things. And we'll see you back here next week. Bye.